Hi friends, welcome to San Greatest Vlog. This is first video and I am showing you a new application called VideoBuddy. This is just a simple video player where you can watch movies or any kind of videos. This application have 4.6 user rating and it can play videos of 4K HD videos. It can also play and support media formats like MP4, AVI, 3GP, MKV, etc. I have already installed this application, so I am just opening it now. The only problem I see in this application is it takes more than 20 seconds to open this application, but sometimes it will get open faster, but sometimes it will take more time. So whenever we first open this application after installation, it will ask for permission for our storage. So we need to give permission to our storage to see the videos in our phone memory. So they have asked for access photos, media and files on our device. So we need to give allow. Then it will show the videos from our memory. It will show in as per the folders. So when we open a folder, we can see those videos. When we open a video, from the by scrolling, by dragging on the right side, we can reduce the volume or increase the volume. On the left side, we can increase or decrease the screen brightness. And there is a lock button in the left bottom of this application, where we can give when we select, it will lock, which allows us to watch videos without any accidental clicks by our kids or something. We can unlock it easily by tapping it in the lock itself. We can rotate the screen by clicking on the rotate icon in the left top side. So we can rotate it, we can play it. Also another feature of this application is we can resume the video from the icon shown in the bottom right side bottom of the screen, which enable us to resume the playback. So this application is ideal for watching movies where we can continue the movie from where we left off. This application is just like MX player, but it is very simple. This one is very simple, only showing only useful functions. We can also use this application by split screen. Where we can split screen this application. we can also this is a full screen advertisement. We can just close it. We can also use this application by floating. So these are the major functions of this application. If you like the video, please like and please subscribe. Thank you.